If you want to improve your writing on the go, installing the Grammarly app on your phone is the perfect way to start. Here's how you can set it up quickly. Open the Play Store on your mobile device and wait for the home screen to load. At the bottom right, tap on the search icon to bring up the search function. Now click on the search bar at the very top of the screen and carefully type in Grammarly. From the list of results, find and tap on the official Grammarly app to open its page. Here, you'll see the app details along with the Install button. Tap Install and the download will begin. The speed of this process may vary depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open. Tap on it and the Grammarly app will launch right away. That's it, you now have Grammarly installed and ready to use on your mobile. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update.